Hello everyone, welcome to Entitled Knowledge. So today we are going to be talking about the difference between a checking account and a savings account. So many people have been asking themselves this particular question: what's the difference between a checking account and a savings account? So there are various types of bank accounts that you can open at your bank or credit union. You can either open a checking or a savings account. Bank accounts are essential when it comes to everyday transaction activities. $1 million pass through every bank every day, pass through banks every day from different sources. But what's the difference between a checking and a savings account? Even though checking and savings accounts are the main types of bank accounts, there are other accounts with particular purposes. You can have a CD account that allows you to lock money for a certain period before withdrawing. Depending on your personal needs, you can also have a money market account or even individual retirement account. Whichever the account, you can deposit and use money as per the terms and conditions. You can open an account online or at the physical branch. Online account opening is becoming popular as many bank accounts embrace technology to make their services convenient and easy to access. Opening an account at a branch takes a lot of time as you have to queue, fill in some papers and wait for verification. Online account opening can take a few minutes to open, and you can open one from anywhere as long as you have a secure internet. However, there are considerable differences between a checking account and a savings account. Checking accounts allow you to access money 24/7, while savings account allow you to withdraw money during specific times. The checking accounts, also known as spending accounts, help you to keep your money for your everyday expenditure. Savings account help you to keep your money for even your future use. Second in the list here we have checking accounts comes with debit cards to help you withdraw money from your checking accounts at ATMs or GAPs. On the other hand, only few saving accounts come with debit cards. You can easily get an online bank account with an instant debit card that you can use online for various kinds of transactions. The checking accounts, which allows you to save money, have high APY, while APY for most saving accounts is usually minimal. So checking accounts do not have withdrawal limits, while saving accounts usually limit the amount of money you can withdraw in a given time. So about checking and savings account. Savings and checking accounts are the two main types of bank accounts that you can open in the bank. The checking account allows one to deposit money for a day-to-day spending. You can access the funds online at the physical branch or an ATM using a debit card. Checking accounts comes with debit card, which are payment cards that allows you to pay for goods and your services. A debit card also allows one to withdraw money at an ATM or over the counter. That depends on you. It's your choice, as I always say. So saving accounts allows you to save money for future use. That is, maybe if you have anything to do in the future, if you have any agenda that depends on you, the saving account is always there. So you can easily save funds for the project that you intend to carry out at a particular time. Since keeping money in your house is dangerous, very, very dangerous, you should keep money in a saving account to avoid what's happening or any circumstance that you might not like. So saving accounts earn you interest with time. Is that not good? However, it is essential, very important, on a note that there are various things that you require to open an account. The federal government requires everybody opening an account should present various documents like social security numbers, identification document, That is, you can be a driver, it can be your driver's license, a passport, a government ID card, a phone number. The next, you have email address, you have their physical address. So you should also be ready to present any other document that your bank or credit union requires. You should always be ready to provide it. So as I earlier mentioned, you can either open an account online or one at the physical branch. To open an account, you have to study the available banks and see the one that pleases you. You should check on the various features and that an account from a particular bank offers. You know where it fits you. Again, you should decide whether you require a checking or a saving account. There are various free online checking accounts with no opening deposit to open with your phone or tablet. When opening your account online, you have to visit the concerned bank website to start your application. You can move to an account opening section and start your application. You should also upload all necessary documents that are necessary for your account to be verified. For your information, you have to upload your identification document and proof of your physical address. Bank can prove your phone number and email address when they send verification codes to your phone number and emails. So there are factors you need to check when opening an account. The various factors that you should check when opening an account, there is no way you can wake up and start opening a bank account without checking how account works. The following, I'll be listing are the factors you need to check when opening bank account. So the first on the list here is opening deposit. Some banks require you to deposit a particular amount in your account as soon as you open the account to be able to use it. You may not have money to deposit in a bank account during the account opening. In such a scenario, you should consider a bank with no opening deposit. Number 2, minimum balance. Some banks require you to maintain a particular minimum balance in your account. That means you should withdraw money to a particular amount. Such bank accounts can inconvenience you as you may need all the money in your account, but you will not access it. Number 3 here, the monthly maintenance. The monthly maintenance fee. There are bank accounts with high maintenance fees to make sure that they make as much money as possible from the deposit. Interestingly, some banks do not have monthly maintenance fee at all. If you get one that better, if you get one that is better, then good for you. However, do not be lured by zero maintenance fee, as they make other hidden costs that can drain you. Number 4 here, you have annual fees. Some banks charge annual fees on your account. Annual fees are usually large amount of money, as you can find yourself parting with $7 to $80 or more, depending on your bank. If possible, avoid bank accounts with annual fees. Number 5 here, you have transaction costs. There are various kinds of transaction costs that you may incur with your account. You can have ATM transaction costs, over-the-counter withdrawal costs, or even money transfer costs. The lower the transaction cost, the better. In most cases, it is free to withdraw money from checking accounts. Number 6, you have annual percentage yield, that is APY. Once you open a savings account, there is interest rate that you should earn at a given time. APY is the interest rate that you can earn every year. The higher the rate, the higher you earn. Savings account always earn you interest when you maintain a particular amount of money in your account. Checking accounts have high interest rates compared to savings accounts. So some people always ask, can you open a bank account if I am in a check system? So my answer to this is, check system is a body that keeps records for bad account users to be referred by other banks when you request to open a bank account. You can enter the check system if you write many bouncing checks, closing your account with a negative balance, or perform fraudulent transactions using your bank account. You should not worry if you are in check system, since you can still get an account. Various banks can offer a checking account with no check systems. Even though it is challenging to come across such banks, you can get within your town to help you with your banking endeavors. So summarily, checking accounts and savings accounts are the many types of accounts you can open at a bank or credit union. The checking account allows you to keep money for your everyday spending. You can access money in a checking account 24/7. The savings account allows you to keep money that they intend to spend in the future, or you intend to spend maybe for whatever use you want to use it for. So money in a spending account earns an interest. So thank you. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.